Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing the DJI Mini 3 and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. The DJI Mini 3 is priced at $798, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus comes at a higher price of $1,159. When it comes to weight and portability, both drones are incredibly lightweight. The DJI Mini 3 weighs under 249 grams, making it perfect for taking on your adventures. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus also falls under the 249 grams weight limit, allowing for a user-friendly and easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. The DJI Mini 3 offers an impressive 38 minutes of flight time. This allows you to take it on long flights without worrying about the battery. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus also provides extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. The DJI Mini 3 allows you to capture stunning 4K HDR videos, showcasing crystal-clear aerial shots with details in highlights and shadows. It also features true vertical shooting, making it easier to capture tall landmarks. Additionally, it offers quick shots for dynamic flight patterns and panorama shots. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus takes it a step further with 4K 60fps HDR videos, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage with impressive clarity. It also features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing enhanced safety during your flights. The DJI Mini 3 is resistant to 38 km/h winds, ensuring stability during your flights. It also comes with 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, and a shoulder bag for extended adventures. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus includes RC2, 3 45-minute flight time batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag. It also offers a 20 km FHD video transmission, allowing you to experience real-time aerial footage like never before. Reviewers have praised the DJI Mini 3 for its quality, affordability, and beginner-friendly flying experience. The camera and battery life are also highly appreciated. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is recommended for its advanced features, improved signal range, stability in high winds, and enhanced safety with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The extended battery life and real-time aerial footage transmission are also highlighted. Both drones have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.